8 books that students should read. 1. Deep Work, by Cal Newport. In this book, the author explains the modern world is fast-paced and distracting. We must be able to learn new things quickly, focus for long periods of time, and eliminate distractions in order to succeed. Professor Cal Newport delves into these ideas and demonstrates how we can orient our lives toward deep work, a skill that will help us succeed in today's world. Book 2. The Power of Now, by Eckhart Tolle. The power of now is about living in the present moment to experience less suffering and more inner peace. It's all about reconnecting with your physical senses rather than getting lost in your thoughts. According to Eckhart Tolle, past and future are only mental simulations because your life always occurs now. Book 3. INDISTRATABLE, by Nir Eyal. INDISTRATABLE delves into a universal topic of interest: how modern gadgets and technology distract us from work and cause real concentration issues, affecting our performance and even the quality of our lives, and how we can address the root cause of the problem in order to avoid it. Book 4. Atomic Habits, by James Clear. Atomic Habits is a book about developing new habits and breaking old ones. According to James Clear, all of our habits follow a 4-step habit loop that includes cue, craving, response, and reward. He explains how to hack each step in order to achieve long-term personal change. Book 5. Getting Things Done, by David Allen. Getting Things Done is a productivity and organization system. During the early 2000s, it became a popular movement. David Allen claims that by learning to manage our daily tasks effectively, we can feel in control of our busy working lives. Book 6. The Psychology of Money, by Morgan Housel. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel teaches you how money moves in an economy, how personal biases and the emotional factor play a role in our financial decisions, and how to think more rationally and make better financial decisions. Book 7. Start with Why, Simon Sinek. Start with Why explains how great companies communicate clearly why they exist, besides making money. They gain followers by sharing a common goal, cause, or mission. However, most leaders are uninspiring because they are overly concerned with what they do and how they do it. Book 8. The 4 Agreements, Don Miguel Ruiz. The 4 Agreements shows how to love yourself more, not take things personally, and heal your relationships. Don Miguel Ruiz shares wisdom from the indigenous Mexican Toltec culture to help us stop living in this false dream of social rules, expectations, and judgments. I hope you enjoyed the 8-book review. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit bell icon.